If you're looking to grow your Skool community and increase membership quickly, you've come to the right place. Whether you're starting from scratch or trying to scale an existing group, there are some key strategies to boost engagement and attract more members. In this video, I'll walk you through practical tips that you can implement today to get more members for your Skool community. First off, the most important thing to understand is that growing your Skool community isn't just about bringing in more members, it's about bringing in the right members. Your community needs to attract people who are genuinely interested in what you're offering. This means refining your messaging and positioning to speak directly to the people who will benefit the most from joining. Next thing, leverage the power of social media to drive traffic to your community. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn are great places to build awareness. Share valuable content that gives potential members a taste of what they can expect. You can also join niche groups that align with your community's theme and provide value there. Be mindful not to spam. Just add value and provide a link to your Skool group when it's relevant. The third thing, create an irresistible lead magnet. Offering free content that solves a problem is a powerful way to attract new members. This could be an ebook, a cheat sheet, or a short course. Whatever you offer, make sure it's highly relevant to your target audience and showcases the value they can expect from joining your Skool community. Next, let's talk about using email marketing. If you've already built an email list, use it to drive potential members to your community. Create an enticing email campaign that highlights the benefits of your Skool community. Focus on what makes your group stand out, whether that's exclusive content, networking opportunities, or direct access to experts in your field. A well-crafted email can turn passive followers into active community members. The fifth thing, partnerships. Collaboration is key. Partner with influencers or other community leaders who share your audience. When they promote your Skool community, it can give you access to a larger pool of potential members. Just make sure that these partnerships feel authentic and align with the values of your community. Next, consider offering exclusive perks for new members. This could include access to premium content, one-on-one coaching, or even special recognition within the community. People love to feel special, and these incentives can help boost signups. Another thing, don't underestimate the power of testimonials. People are more likely to join if they see that others have had a positive experience. Collect testimonials from your existing members and showcase them prominently on your Skool community page and in your marketing materials. Lastly, and this is critical, be active and present in your community. Engage with your members regularly. Respond to comments, ask questions, and provide regular updates. When your members see that you're actively involved, they're more likely to stay engaged and refer others. Now, while Skool is a solid option, there are some limitations when it comes to scaling your community quickly. While the platform excels at creating structured learning environments, it can lack some flexibility and advanced customization options for larger communities. Plus, certain features like advanced analytics and member engagement tools are either limited or require additional integrations. So, if your main goal is not only to get more members, but to build a community that thrives long term, there are other platforms out there that offer more comprehensive tools and features for scaling, like Alternative Software Name. They offer a ton of flexibility, robust member engagement features, and analytics tools that can help you fine-tune your community growth strategy. Through our link, you'll get exclusive access to the best free trial for Alternative Software Name, plus some added benefits only available to our viewers. So, while Skool can be a great starting point, if you're serious about growing your community, check out the alternatives that might serve your goals even better. Thanks for watching!